Today we are going to look at what to eat to prevent your arteries or to reduce the blocking in your arteries.
Now, when we use the term clogged arteries, we're talking about a blockage in your arteries, which is usually caused by atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis occurs when you have these fatty acid deposits as well as deposits of cholesterol, calcium, sometimes platelets inside of your inflamed blood vessels. They can cause plaques, which lead to blockage, or clogged arteries. Clogged arteries can lead to all kinds of problems, including heart attacks, strokes, kidney failure, poor circulation. And so if you have clogged arteries, you don't want to.
Now these clogged arteries lead to a heart disease. Watch.
Despite its complexity, our heart is basically a pump. If it gets clogged, it doesn't work as efficiently, eventually causing it to break down. While parts of your water boiler can easily be replaced, the same can't be said for your heart, which needs constant maintenance to stay healthy. Fortunately, our body is well adapted to do that itself. We just need to give it a fighting chance. Although heart disease has many causes, the most common is arterial hardening, which is caused by fatty deposits in our blood vessels. If left untreated, it can lead to hypertension, loss of circulation, and even cardiac arrest as sections of the heart become starved of blood. Here's 6 foods that can clean out your arteries and keep deadly heart disease at bay. 1. Turmeric. This exotic spice can really add some punch to your meals. However, its benefits don't stop there. Turmeric is one of nature's most potent anti-inflammatories due to a compound called curcumin. This not only reduces arterial inflammation, but also fatty deposits known as plaque by as much as 26%. That's pretty impressive for a pinch of spice. 2. Garlic. Although garlic isn't great for your breath and therefore inadvisable before a date, it releases a compound called allicin when crushed and digested, which can lower your risk of heart disease significantly. Allicin interferes with the production of cholesterol as well as slowing the oxidation of LDL. Combined, this is the perfect recipe for clean and healthy arteries. 3. Pomegranate. Known for being fiddly to eat, this seedy fruit is rich in antioxidants called phytochemicals, which protect your arterial walls from damage. It also increases the production of nitric oxide, which, despite sounding scary, actually helps dilate vessels and improves blood flow, reducing the risk of clots and fatty buildup. 4. Omega-3 fatty acids. Found in many oily fish, nuts, and seeds, omega-3 fatty acids are essential for your cognitive health, as well as promoting a strong heart. Besides increasing the amount of HDL, the good cholesterol, which helps reduce the bad kind, omega-3s prevent blood clotting and inflammation, which can both contribute to clogged arteries. Good dietary sources are fish, walnuts, chia seeds, and cod liver oil capsules. 5. Vitamin C. Citrus fruits such as oranges and many vegetables are excellent sources of vitamin C, which are necessary for healthy connective tissues. Besides keeping your arteries maintained, vitamin C boosts your immunity, reducing inflammation and the risk of plaque. In fact, eating just 1 orange daily can reduce blood pressure significantly.
Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds have high magnesium, high zinc, and selenium. Pumpkin seeds can increase nitric oxide. Maybe just take a handful of pumpkin seeds.
Walnuts have been associated with an increased flexibility or elasticity of arteries. They have also been associated with a decreased inflammation in the arteries and a decrease in cholesterol. Eat berries. I'm talking about strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. Berries are high in fiber, minerals, flavonoid antioxidants. They help to reduce bad cholesterol. They help to reduce vascular inflammation. And so having a diet that is rich in berries can help to unclog your arteries naturally. Plus, they taste great. Eat beans. Beans are another way to unclog your arteries naturally. They are loaded with fiber. They are an excellent plant-based source of protein, and they have been associated with a decrease in bad cholesterol, a decrease in triglycerides. Beans have been associated with a decrease in plaque buildup, and they're pretty easy to add to your diet. You can put them in soups. You can add them to your salads. Beans, definitely another way to help to unclog your arteries naturally.
I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up.